Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Here I solve LeetCode problems and prepare to the code interview. Today's problem number 872, leaf similar trees. Consider all the leaves of a binary tree from left to right order the values of those leaves from a leaf value sequence. For example, in the given tree above, the leaf value sequence is 67498. To binary tree I considered leaf similar if their leaf value sequence is the same. Return true if and only if the two given trees with neat nodes root 1 and root 2 are leaf similar. So let's do it. Because we have two trees, the better solution will be using recursion function. What we need to do in this recursion function, we will collect all leaves and finally compare two lists from two trees and return true if these two lists are the same, otherwise false. So let's do it. First of all, let's define function helper with root. Skip it for now and return helper for first tree equals to helper for second tree. Now let's define this function. First of all, we need a base case. First base case is if root is empty. If not root, return empty list. Second best case, if current node is leaf. So if not root left and not root right, in this case return list with current value. And finally, let's return recursion calls for left and right subtree. Return helper of left subtree plus helper of right subtree. Plus operation will merge two lists. And that's it. So let's check tests. Test passed. Let's submit it. It works and pretty efficient. That's it for today. It's quite simple problem. See you tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye.